Hey folks! Today I'm diving into a crucial topic for all you homeowners air conditioner brands to avoid in 2025. Choosing the right HVAC system is key to maintaining comfort and efficiency in your home. So let's make sure you don't end up with a dud. First off, let's talk about common issues with unreliable HVAC brands. Frequent breakdowns, low energy efficiency, poor warranty coverage, and difficult customer service are big red flags. You want to stay clear of units that need constant repairs or drain your wallet with high energy bills. Now let's get specific. Brand A is notorious for compressor failures within the first 5 years. Brand B often has refrigerant leaks and poor coil durability. And Brand C? It's known for low SEER ratings, which means higher energy consumption. When it comes to poor warranty and support, steer clear of Brand D. Their vague coverage policies often result in denied claims. And Brand E? They're infamous for long response times and poor customer support. So what should you look for in a good HVAC system? High SEER ratings for lower electricity bills, strong warranty coverage, at least 10 years on compressors, positive customer reviews, and reliable customer service. It's not rocket science, but it makes a world of difference. Instead of the unreliable brands, consider these top-rated ones. Train for durability and energy efficiency, Carrier for excellent cooling performance, and Lennox for high SEER ratings and quiet operation. Remember, avoiding poor quality AC brands can save you from frequent repairs, poor efficiency, and frustrating customer service. Do your research, compare warranties, and choose a reliable brand for long-term savings. Investing in a quality HVAC system ensures comfort, efficiency, and fewer headaches. Catch you next time.